Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Forest River Vibe. It's a 272 BHS model. It's got a nice pop out. It's all fiberglass unit. It has a huge storage area in here. Look at the storage. You can fit a lot of gear in there. Ice chests, everything. It's a big opening. Let's go on inside and check it out. Of course, it's got a nice power awning too, outdoor speakers as well. Let's go on inside and check it out. So if you're looking for a nice pre-owned unit for a big family, this is the unit. It's really clean. It's got the double bunks. It's got a nice big bathroom. Lots of cupboard space. If you want some cupboard space, this one's got it. There's storage everywhere in it, which is really nice, especially for a big family. You've got all kinds of room. You got storage under here as well. This one's got drawers on it, which are really nice. Makes it really easily accessible. There's one even under the couch there. Lots of counter space. 3-burner cooktop, microwave and oven, stainless steel. Back in here you got your bedroom, which is nice. Good sized bed. They got the cutout in here so you get a little more headroom, and it's a really nice mattress in here. Folks, if you want to get a great pre-owned RV, we have several to choose from. Come down here to Guaranty RV. Come see me, Big Sal. If you like this unit or any other unit you see online, come see me, Big Sal, 951-443-8323. Thanks.